How to edit videos free without software. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you about an incredible tool that lets you edit videos easily and for free. Imagine this. You have an emergency and you need to edit a video quickly, but you don't have access to any professional software. No worries, I've got the perfect solution for you. The website I'm talking about is called Vidmax. The best part? You don't need any software installed on your device. With Vidmax, you can edit your videos directly in your browser. You simply upload your video, and Vidmax provides you with all the basic editing tools right there on the website. Need to trim, crop, or add filters to your video? It's all possible. Let me show you how easy it is. Just head to the website, upload your video. And start editing immediately. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not an expert, you can quickly make adjustments. Now here's something important to mention. While Vidmax covers most basic editing needs, it might not have all the advanced features of professional software. But if you're looking for something quick and easy, it's perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more cool tips and tricks. See you in the next video.